Na baya andu aria marakua kuumana na murimu wa COVID-19 thietio na mbere na kuongerereka na umuthi andu angi 16 magikua kuumana na murimu uyu na gukinyiria ithabu ria andu 532 o riri nao 31 mari wadi-ini ya kuiga arwaru aria me hatikaini.
And we would like to pass our sincere condolences to the families and friends of all of those who've lost their loved ones.
Kianirira ripoti yegie murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, Mutabania wa mihango thiini wa Ministry ya Ugima wa mwiri Dr Mercy Mwangangi ni augite ati hinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mathiru andu angi 322 ni magwatetio homa ino kaunti ya Nairobi igitongoria na arwaru 106, Kajiado na 53, kaunti ya Kiambu na 23, Nyandarua 2, nayo kaunti ya Murang'a ikiandikithia murwaru umwe. No ona kuri oroguo andu angi 288 ni marikitie kuhona murimu uyu.
Nairobi and Mombasa County continue to be the counties that have the highest attack rate. This means that if you're living in Nairobi and Mombasa, you're at greater risk of transmission of getting this disease.
Na riu thirikari ikiuga ati andu ethĩ ni maronekana gukorwo nio maratambia murimu na njira nene, na uguo makorio magie na wimenyereri munene wa guteaniria meciria mati andu akuru nio marahutio muno ni murimu uyu.
In terms of the 30 to 39 age group, they have accounted for 33% of the cases, with a count of about 10,283. And we continue to take this as a wake-up call for young people, reminding them that the disease is real and it is claiming lives.
Na wegie mugomo wa marerikana uria urathie na mbere na kuhariririo, Dr Mwangangi augite ati ni maraunanira njung'wa na arugamiriri kiama-ini kia marerikana undu umwe na Ministry ya Ugima wa mwiri niguo gwetha kihonia kia naihenya.
We continue to have discussions with members of the union and healthcare workers, impressing upon them that perhaps now is a critical time to be mzalendo and ensure that we are taking care of our country, but also hearing their needs and their concerns that they have and coming to a place where we can be able to meet those needs.
Kaunti imwe itikinyaniria gikiro gia itada cia ICU iria irendekana, no hindi cia ya kwamukira uteithio guku aria marathutukania arwaru a murimu uyu makiurio matige.
And we continue to appeal to people not to stigmatize, because it is important that we all adopt a brother's keeper approach.
The ministry is thinking that from the donations that we are getting in trying to support those far to reach counties, the counties which are very far from the urban areas, that people could get access to ICU facilities.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitangwa Jerry, Wawa Boy.